You wanna know how to do it quickly? Look at this model. It's solid sub D import, which is probably the worst case scenario for this. We'll make it work. Let's do a boolean cutter for the screws. Make sure it goes through the model. Place them, cut them. Now select the inside faces and hit hollow. See, our model is quite awkward for it to handle, but there are variants that work and look good for what we want. Use the wall thickness to make a very thin box twice as long as the model. Put it in the screw centers, make more, rotate. Let's add even more with an array. Okay, looks good. Select our model, select the thin boxes, Q for boolean, Shift E for intersect. Great. Oopsies, we forgot to boolean the screws out of the base for intersection. And the screws are deleted. Not a big deal. We can copy the result and go back until we see the screws. Now boolean them out and merge the whole thing together. Slice in half. Now do Ctrl-R loops to close the holes. Remember the hollow command errors? Without holes going through, it would be worse. Done. Okay, let's go to Blender to see how it looks transparent. But remember, you don't have to make it transparent to see the ribs. You can easily make the thickness mask affect the texture on the surface. Also, I'm working on a game of my own, and if you want to support me, consider checking my ArtStation store. For example, I have a gun design process where it has a very similar plastic part. See you later.